Ahana Bhutu, my tribe. So here we are with my weekly reading for Aries, Taurus and Gemini. Okay, so let's see what we have. So Aries, let me just check your state of mind. Right now, Aries, I feel you are in some kind of a very big mental change. Okay, that's what I see. I also see you're carrying a lot of baggage, past baggage. I think Aries, you should let it go. A lot of disappointments that you faced in the past. Okay, so we did from 1st to 8th. Now we will do from 9th to the 16th. Okay, so the energy of 9th of April is, I feel 9th of April you need to take care of your money. Okay, also I feel that there's a lot of expenses that will crop up. You are going to feel generous also towards your kids, towards your younger siblings or anybody who's younger to you. But this expenditure that you do on the 9th of April, it's not something, it will go in something good. The more you're giving, the more you're getting back. Okay, now 10th of April. 10th of April, I feel you are going to be a little on guard, because in the past there were certain kind of situations at your work where you were pulled down or evil-eyed or backstabbed. So now you're very, very careful, and you should be very careful also on the 10th of April. 11th of April, I feel you are all in your emotions. You are feeling very creative, very much in authority, in a very nice, good, generous mood. Or you might meet a person who will be generous to you, will be kind to you, who will be nice. Probably it will be your boss or your elder brother or somebody who's elder to you. Okay. 12th of April is going to be any kind of work that you are going to do on 12th of April. Any obstacle that you will face, you will overcome it. Okay. Now 13th of April will come with a lot of pressure at work, not just at work, generally in life, in your workspace also. So you really have to take care. 13th of April will come with a lot of hard work, pressure at home, office, everywhere. 14th of April is going to be, things are going to move forward very fast. Okay. You will get a lot of options in generally in life, like whatever you're doing in your life, you will get a lot of options, like in work, in relationships, in everything around you. Things will be at a speed. All your work that day is going to happen very quickly. Okay, now 15th will, you will feel your cup is full. I feel satisfied, I feel happy. Some of you might even get a little more emotional, okay, at that time. 16th of April, something new starting. Some new door is opening. Some new communication, conversation is going to happen with someone, which is going to really help you open something new and something really positive in your life. Okay, let's see now what we have in your relationship area. Ninth, you're going to be all in your mind, daydreaming, thinking, overthinking. Things are not put in action, but only in their mind. Okay. 10th is going to be a time where you will feel things are moving in your relationship. Your partner and you together are creating an abundance. If you have a partner, yes. If you don't, then you will meet someone who will actually connect to you in a kind of a love relationship, but that person is also going to be happy and very, very positive for your growth. Okay, 11th April. 11th April, something really beautiful is blooming. Your heart chakra is shining, but you're refusing to see. Okay, Aries. I feel that you are still in your past energy where you feel that, you tried at that time also, nothing happened. But yes, something is going to bloom on that day, on 11th of April. So just open your heart and be open to receive. 12th is something, some truth is going to be revealed. Okay, something that was hidden from you, something surprising is coming in your life, which you'll be surprised. Oh my God, nobody told me this. That kind of a thing. Okay, seeking the truth. 13th, I feel you're going to be confused about two things in your life. Maybe two relationships, maybe two decisions that you need to make, maybe two people in your life. Something you'll be very confused about and you will not know which way to go. 14th is going to be where you're going to put a little effort in your relationship, or somebody else will put effort towards you. But right now, I feel that on the 14th, you have decided that you're going to put effort either in your relationship or to get into a relationship. 15th is you're just taking time off to yourself, you're meditating, you're relaxing, you are connecting with nature. Probably you're just taking a walk in the garden, or maybe you're doing some grounding by sitting on the grass. But even if you are not doing that, go ahead and do it, because this will really help you to decide something in your life. Okay. Now 16th is about throat chakra. Throat chakra energy means you are wanting to communicate something which you have not up till now to someone. You want to heal and move forward. So to heal and move forward, you need to communicate and let out your emotions and step into some nice, lovely, trusting energy. So here I feel that you will take that step, and on the 16th, and something about you is going to heal at that time. Okay, Aries. So these were the 8 days. Let me see what universal message is for you. Let go of the past. It's time to um, envision a new story. So probably if few of you in the beginning, only the first card was you're holding to the past and you're taking the past forward, right? So if you're still holding to the past, Aries, you need to let go, because something really beautiful and something new is starting in your life, which we will see in the next week to come. So let me see Taurus from 9th April to 16th April. First state of mind. Taurus right now feeling very cold and just wanting to go ahead aggressively in their workspace. I feel they are feeling very tired fighting the battle every time, same cycle, same patterns happening with them. Okay, ninth is going to be a very good start. You're going to meet somebody, Taurins, who is very well placed, who has a lot of abundance in his life, his or her, and this person is going to come with an offer to you. Let's work together, let's do something together, let's do a partnership together, and so on. Okay. 10th, you're going to feel very you feel as if everything's over in life. You feel cheated, there is a cycle ending in your life. You feel done with a lot of people in life and you want to just move forward. Now I don't want to look back to the same pattern, same cycle, same people in my life. Okay. 11th, you are trying to strike a balance in life. Do not trust your social circle that day, because that day I see that people will be sweet on your face, try to show something and they'll do something else. Okay. 12th, there is a lot of secrets that are coming out which you didn't know up till now. Okay. Lot of secrets which may be about finances, about somebody cheating you in money, somebody who's taken your money and didn't tell you, someone who is going to make you abandon you um, after taking advantage of you, and so on. So please be careful. Okay. 13th, 13th is a new start. Maybe you'll communicate with someone, maybe there is some new offer coming, some new beginning, something new will start. I feel there's some blessings coming, something that you have worked for in the past and now you're reaping the fruits. Okay. 14th, growth with the help, financial growth. I'm talking about growth with the help of people, friends, colleagues. Maybe you have a team and you're all working together about, for something. So there's some kind of growth coming that day. Okay. 15th, there is again a person who's going to offer you something new, something really fruitful. This person will be younger to you, remember, and this will be an offer which, let me just check, will be again a new beginning and very good for you. So take it. Okay. 16th, you're fighting big battles. You're fighting with a wooden sword with everybody. You are just struggling to uh, maybe fulfill targets, maybe make things happen for your work, your company. There's a lot you have to handle and you're very stuck in circumstances. You fear that if you move, you won't be able to do well in life. You're overthinking, you're investing in your future. That is what you're doing. You'll feel very tired that day. So please do your aura cleansing. Okay. Let's see what we have for you in your relationship. Area Taurus. Ninth is going to be a day where you're going to believe in your relationship, and your relationship is going to be very, very lucky for you, where you are going to come together with your partner and you're going to succeed in it. Okay, that day is going to be very lucky for you. Okay. 10th is going to be a time where you're going to nurture yourself, ground yourself, or maybe take care of yourself. Okay. 11th is where you're sharing something with your partner. So you're sharing love, you're sharing care, you're sharing affection. Somewhere I feel that some dream will come true, which you feel that this is what I wanted with my partner. Okay. Uh, 12th, you're detaching because all this has happened. So I think you're detaching from your cold past self, that time where you actually felt that nobody cares and you were in a very toxic kind of a relationship, or maybe toxic times that in your life you needed to detach, you're going to detach on this day. 13th, you're going to actually acknowledge your heart wall. You know what's a heart wall? There's a wall we create around our heart. And I feel that you're going to see your heart wall and say, why have I kept it? I think I need to open this heart chakra. This is the thought that will come to you. Okay, 14th, you are going to come together with someone. Now, either if you're in a marriage kind of a situation or committed relationship, your relationship is going to get more stronger. And if you are not married, then you will decide to marry somebody or commit to somebody. Okay. 15th, you are going to take a lead, you're going to feel stronger, you're going to be in your power, you're going to actually acknowledge your own self-worth. Okay. And 16th, you're going to actually feel that now I can take a flight. I can, open my wings and feel that freedom that I am also something. So in your relationship area, I feel that you are going to do, that you're going to be so happy and you're going to actually open your wings and tell your partner, come on, let's fly together. And if you're single, then you're going to maybe explore more options in your life. Okay. So let's see what we have. A universal message for you, Taurus. Get lost. Not get lost, but get lost. Okay. Uh, Feel deep into the realm of imagination. So as much as you can imagine, there's a saying, if you can imagine it, you can have it. So as much as you imagine what you want in life, be it your relationship, health, wealth, everything, the more you're going to have it. So just start practicing imagination, Taurus. So let's see now what we have for Gemini. I feel, Gemini, you are just in a very good state of mind. You feel, I need to take a leap of faith. I need to move forward. You have a lot of options in front of you in your workspace, and you need to consider which one should I take. Okay, 9th of April, some kind of a spiritual, either enlightenment will come to you, or you will take a journey to a spiritual place, or you will meet some spiritual leader, or you yourself will connect spiritually with someone. Okay, or there is some kind of awakening that is happening with you, right? 10th of April, balance, happiness, celebration. Maybe there's a celebration in family, in your office. Somewhere there is a lot of happy energy and a lot of balance in your life. Okay. Now, 11th of April. 11th of April is coming with some money in your hand. Money is coming, investment, something that you will do. You're feeling very happy. Things are moving a little slow for you that day, but money is in hand and money is coming. Or you will meet someone who will offer you some kind of offer in which you can make money. Okay, Gemini. Let me see now. 12th. 12th is all about feeling a little out in the cold. Okay. You might feel that other people have more and I have less, or you might feel that you've been abandoned by someone, or you might feel that that day, sometimes we get into a victim zone mentally, that kind of energy. So a little low kind of a feeling. And also please take care of your money that day, because some overspending will happen. Okay. 13th is all about meeting people, networking people, celebration, parties, social life. Okay. 14th of April is about Gemini feeling very happy and satisfied. Means now money is come. I'm meeting maybe my grandparents, great grandparents. Maybe I've visited my family house. Maybe I'm meeting everybody and I'm feeling so together, and like a 10 of pentacle energy, where I'm very happy with my money situation. I'm feeling very happy that I've met everybody in the family and we all are together, comforted with each other, and somewhere bonding with each other. Okay. 15th of April is again money, 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 money. So a lot of money coming to you in this 1 week, Gemini. So here also a lot of stability, money, grounding. Okay, on the 15th. 16th of April is going to be a new beginning for you. If you are wanting to be in partnership with someone, or you are wanting to begin something new in your life, okay, that is a very good day for you, Gemini. Okay, let's see what we have in your uh, relationship. 9th of April will be full of hearts energy, a lot of love energy, a lot of, I think you are going to either be offered love or you're going to feel loved. And there's a lot of love, bonding with love, feeling emotionally happy kind of an energy. Okay. 10th of April, you're embracing the world because you're feeling so happy inside of you maybe with your partner, maybe with the situation around you. You are embracing the world. Okay. 11th, again, when there is so much love and so much of acceptance in life, so comes the demon of overthinking. Okay. So 11th, you will have a lot of confusion. You will say, let me just step back and think, let me reconsider what is happening around me, and in the past so and so thing happened. So you will tend to look at the things that you have lost in life. Suddenly you get so much of love, then suddenly you feel, oh my god, I don't know where I am. You get cold feet kind of a thing. Okay. 12th, you are going to again, with that similar energy, you are going to wait and think, let me see what to do. You're going just taking a lot of time to make some kind of decision in your relationship. Okay. 13, there is a lot of new vitality in your relation, lot of doors opening, lot of opportunities of love coming to you, maybe in your current relationship, or if you are single, then there will be a lot of opportunity around you that you might come together with someone. But I feel that your current relationship is also blossoming and blooming, and it's becoming so beautiful and colorful. 14th will be some healing is happening in your life with all this lovely things happening around you. I feel that something was unhealed inside you, and now you are opening a door to healing. Maybe you're accepting things, maybe you're really happy and looking into um, the real side of you, where what you actually wanted in life. So that something like that is going to heal. Okay. 15th, you're going to actually take a deep breath and say, wow, I'm feeling now. I feel just to feel like taking a pause and just breathing, and just so much has happened, let me take a pause. So that is a pause day. Okay. 16th, yes, you are taking a leap of faith, and you are taking that step in your life where you want to bond in your relationship. You want that closeness in your relationship. You want that trust in your relationship. So you are beginning new in your relationship area on the 16th of April. 16th of April, you are just going to go for it. You say, I don't care, let me just do something new in my current relationship. Or if you are in a single person, then you will take a step towards having somebody in your life. Wow. Okay. Let's see what universal message we have for you. There is hope ahead. Have courage to take the heart, for there is hope. There's a lot of hope in your life. Don't be hopeless if you're feeling hopeless. Don't be somebody who thinks everything is over in life. Money wise, relationship wise, health wise, everything's going to be awesome, Gemini. That is a universal message. Okay, beautiful reading. That was lovely. 1 week reading for you. I'll come again next week for more. I will come live. This is recorded because I had to travel. And that's all. Please share this video with your family and friends, and take care. Be healthy. Hari Om Tat Sat.